Hello, Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to have a play around with hairstyling wax on Sim. As you can see, his hair hangs over his face, you can barely see, so I just wanted to play around with hairstyling wax. I've just got to get him to try and stay still. Stay, good boy, stay, 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 stay. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. Good boy. Stay. Now the beauty about hairstyling wax is that being all natural, it's safe to use on doggies. If he gets it in his eyes, it won't sting, it won't hurt. If he licks it, it's natural, it won't hurt him. So as you can see, look, I can give him a mohawk. Your mohawk, look at you, you little punk, hey? Good boy, Sim, good boy. We can also use it to comb his hair backwards, keep out of his face. Now he is a little bit dirty because we're camping at the moment. I can also do hairdos with it. You can see at the back how it's really sort of fluffy and fly away, but at the front where I've put the wax, it clumps together a bit easier. And that's the beauty about it. If you've got little girls that you're trying to do a braid on, stay still, Sim. Stay still. So I can clip it if I want. Hey, you like some clips in your hair? Oh, who's a good boy? Hey, look at me, Sim. Yeah, good boy. Hey, now I can see your face. Hey, look at that. Hey. Or I can put... Oops. Stay still. Stay still. Good boy. Hair thing in. You want a hair tie? See, at the back it's really quite awkward because it doesn't have wax in the back, so the hair gets caught in the hair tie. But at the front that doesn't happen. And that's what I like about this wax. It can help sort of keep fine hair still. Let's put a little bit more on the front. Okay? Let's get this bit back. And those bits at the sides. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Oh, it smells yummy, doesn't it? You want to lick it. You can lick it. I don't know if it'll taste nice, but you can lick it. Hey? Hey? Good boy, Sim. Good boy. Now you can go and run around and you can see what you're doing. Hey? Good boy. Bye-bye, Sim. Bye-bye. And that's me, Jody from Joli Natural Skincare, playing around with my dog Simba, showing you hairstyling wax. It is pet friendly. It's also suitable for young children because it's really natural. Just finish off with some footage. Of the campsite we're camping at. It's beautiful and green at the moment, just Aussie wilderness. And we're set up over there, tent, caravan and fire. The dam, it's not very full. And Sim with his new hairdo. Thanks for watching.